I'm Vaibhav Bhatia, CEO of Lamark Biotech, company which is dedicated towards improving the accessibility of modern medicines like insulin, many vaccines, and treatments for macular degeneration, a kind of a blindness which occurs with old people mainly, above 60, lung cancer. And we do this by improving the stability of these medicines because they are not easy to transport. They're generally transported in refrigerated environments, and we make them refrigeration independent. So they could reach the deepest pockets of the globe, especially in tier 3 cities, in developing nations or underdeveloped areas where they are most needed. Ayurveda, for example, people will take some protein, some leaf extract, and they will try to see, can it benefit a human being? And many times by their experience, they will see, okay, this is good for a human being, so let's use it. They can screen some of the things, and that's what went to the second generation, where we started using purified small molecules. So chemistry-driven medicine, where you will create these paracetamols and antibiotics, and they screen which of these molecules generated by a specific chemistry are beneficial for you and for what purpose. Insulin is the trouble is that it cannot reach many of the part of the globe in a quality format because its stability is lost. But there are other troubles. I mentioned you AMD, age-related macular degeneration. There, a 70-year-old person who is losing a sight is supposed to travel to his doctor every month once or every 2 months once at least and get an injection in the eye. It's very difficult for them to travel and come back. So our methods we are using to innovate novel formulations where you can inject once and then forget it for a year maybe. Because you're talking about old people, they won't like to travel again and again. Plus it's an injection in the eyes. It's a pain for them. So that's one way we are trying to reduce novel solution for different kinds of patients, but the same technology. So this is where THub helped us to procure some experience in terms of legal angles, in terms of investor readiness, due diligence could be faster. There have been some loopholes in that side which they helped us to fill in. And then you need an investor funnel because, as I said, we are long holding period required and there is higher risk for a biotech industry compared to an IT one. So you need to have an investor funnel. So somebody who can go and talk to hundreds and bring you the first 10 or 20 more relevant ones for you. And that's what THub has been doing for us. Make sure that we can reach out to the specific investors who have best chances.